Ever since I was a kid, I have dreamed of flying with mermaids through the ocean. Now, Trident makes it possible. Trident is the integrated underwater scooter. It's your best water companion. Whether you are a professional or amateur diver, Trident makes you fly through the ocean with fan and ease. Built with powerful dual engine, Trident can easily support strong thrust of up to 26.5 pounds. 2 variable speed, the max speed of 4 miles per hour and 2.2 miles per hour for static ocean sea. Diving up to 164 feet, Trident engage you to explore the wonderful deep ocean world. With heavy battery capacity, Trident can keep you running for 60 minutes, durable for you to enjoy various flying styles and adventures. Specifically designed with a child safety lock, Trident keeps your child safe from danger. Born with positive buoyancy, you'll never worry about losing it in the ocean. Attach your GoPro to your Trident. Capture stunning videos about your ocean adventures and vivid sea scenes with your friends. Trident, your fantastic water companion, available today.